What is up, guys? Welcome back to the fourth and final video on the custom headlights. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. We're almost at 600. We're like 2 away from 600, so that's super exciting. Don't forget to subscribe. I make videos on my 370Z and they're pretty litty, so I would recommend, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and let's get on to today's video. So for the last and final video, I'm gonna be restoring these headlights. They have so much oxidation and they're super yellow. Not super yellow, they're not like super bad, but they could use a good restoration. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Cerakote restoration kit. I've seen so many good reviews on it, so hopefully this is able to help out my headlights. Let's open the package and see what's in the video. I'm gonna be timing this also to show you guys how fast it is, so let's get to it. So as you can see, my headlights are a little bit cloudy, and I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see the yellow, but I'm having that issue too, so hopefully the kit is gonna be able to restore these headlights, and as well as this one. This one you can see a little bit more, like right there, that cloudy white stain right there, as well as the yellowing. So let's prep this up and we should be ready to start with the Cerakote. So we're gonna open this up and let's see what's in the package. Yep, so you get the instructions right here, as well as some ad stuff, but you get ceramic clear coat, which is gonna help it last for a while. And then you just get everything, all the packets you need. Step 1 through 3, I believe. There's 3 steps, so pretty straightforward. And then you get a set of gloves as well. This is, to prepare the surface. So this comes in clutch. I'm gonna leave a link down below for this, so if you're interested, as well as all the paint and everything I use for my headlights, it's gonna be down below. So if you guys are interested, this was like 20 bucks, which I think is worth it if it actually turns out like that. Let's get to prepping this and we should be done, and I'm gonna time it, so should be quick. So for the first step, we're gonna open up the hood. Some people take off the headlights. Nobody got time for that, so we're just gonna open up the hood and tape everything off that's gonna be in the way when I go to sanding. You don't wanna get any of these wipes on your paint. I mean, you could just remove it, like you'd have to remove it pretty quick, but just to be safe, we got painter's tape and we're gonna mask around the paint so we don't get it on the paint. So let's do step 1 real quick. It's a pretty long step, but let's get to it. All you're gonna do for the first step is rinse the headlight off. I have my soapy water in the shaker bottle because I don't have a spray bottle, so you gotta work with what you have. So for step 1, you have the oxidation remover. You have 8. So I'm guessing 4 for each headlight. I don't see the need to use all 4 if your headlights aren't that bad. But if you have a lot of oxidation, I probably would use all of them. So we're gonna move on to step number 1 and put on our gloves that they provided. Alright, so we got the gloves on, and yeah, so in some of the videos that I've seen, the pad or the wipe actually comes out like orange or yellow. I don't think these are gonna be that bad, but we're gonna see. I don't know, we might use it because I don't see myself using this, because then I'm gonna be missing step 1 or step 2 and step 3. So might as well just use all of them and get the best out of our money and the headlights. So we're gonna do 1. So we're gonna start with the passenger side headlight. Try not to get it on the paint, but if you do, it says you can, you should remove it pretty quick, so I wouldn't wait too long to remove it. But here we go, circular motion. Ooh, look at that. It's so bad. Let's try the other side now. So we might be using all 4 because that was pretty bad. I didn't think it would be that bad. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So it says when it turns yellow like this to switch. So I'm gonna be switching to another one. So far it's working, so I guess these were that bad because that literally looks brown. It doesn't even look yellow. So I'm gonna switch to a new one because this one came out just the same. Oh, I forgot to put the timer. Damn. Oh well. So after you're done with the 4 wipes, it says to rinse it and you should have a cloudy look. We're gonna do the other one, so I'm able to take off my gloves and rinse these off. So we're gonna do the other one. It should be the same, so I'm not gonna record that one. So I'm done with the driver's side. As you can see, this was the first one, second one, third one, and 4th one. So the more you do it, the more you get out and the less you have by the end. So we're gonna rinse these out and they should come out cloudy and we should almost be done. So for step 2, you're gonna do the sanding. The first one's gonna be the red disc, and for that, just put that on there. So when you're scrubbing, you're gonna be scrubbing in a uniform direction, so it's not gonna be circular anymore. It's gonna be just up and down, and we're just gonna get this wet. Let's do it. It says to do it for 2 to 3 minutes, so we're gonna put a timer and do it. Set timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes and counting.
Got the gray one on, and we're gonna do it for another 3 minutes. The headlight should look cloudy, like, and then the third step is gonna be putting the ceramic coat, and that's what's gonna make it clear and pop. So this one's pretty much done. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy. So I'm gonna let this dry while I do the other headlight, but they should turn out like that and pretty cloudy. Don't know how good the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's pretty cloudy, so. So as you can see, I finished. I retaped them because they got all wet and nasty. So now we're gonna be adding the ceramic coat. So step 3 is the ceramic coat. There's 2, 1 for each lens. Let's read what the instructions say. Only gonna need two ceramic coatings and overlapping 50%. Sounds a little technical, but it's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you guys and we should be done. And these are gonna turn out hard. That's a pretty strong smell, so I'm guessing that's why you only need 1. Ooh, this shit burned my eye. Alright, so 50%, so we're just gonna do this. Ooh. These are actually fly, coming out so good. Ooh. That looks so good. You can actually see into the headlight now and there's no cloudiness or yellow on the headlight, which looks so sick. So we're done with this one. I'm gonna move on to that one and we should be all done and it should look amazing. They look so clear. For this headlight was probably the worst and it looks so good with the ceramic coating and just this whole kit. So let me If you guys enjoyed that, my battery is about to die. So if you guys enjoyed that, don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave the link to this down below. I totally recommend it. I 100% recommend Cerakote because they made the headlights look so nice. They look brand new. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.